Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to have some fun building partners of 10. What this means is we're going to build an equation showing two partners that when added together, the two partners will be the same or equal to 10. So let's get started. We need to decide what number between 0 and 10 we want to use as our first group or our first partner. I think I'd like to use 6. So I'll write that in the equation, and I'll show our thinking by filling up the 10 frame with 6 objects. And I see on our 10 frame that it's broken down into 2 groups of 5. So I'll fill the top row and add 1 here for a total of 6. And that matches our first partner. Now, this means I need to add more for a second partner or group so that altogether we will have 10 objects. So to do that, or to show my second group, I'm going to choose a second color. And I'm going to keep adding these yellow dots until that whole 10 frame is filled. There we go. Now I need to figure out what number do we need to put here. Well, I merely have to go to my 10 frame and count how many in the second color we have. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. This tells me that 4 is the second group or the second partner in this equation. So I see that 6 plus 4 more will equal or be the same as 10. And that does match my thinking here. So this tells me this is an accurate equation. Hello, boys and girls. We are going to continue our practice of building equations that have partners, two partners, and its addition. And when we add these two partners, or these two groups of objects together, it will have a total or a sum of 10. The equation is written different this time. Have you noticed that? It still means the same thing. It says that 10 is the same as or equal to this group plus a second group. So let's pick an addend of 3. Let's pick our first group or addend and make it 3. So once again, I need to show this by using 3 objects. This time I'm going to use yellow first. How many yellow? 3, because 3 is our partner. So there is the 3. The 3 that represents 3 as our first partner. Now, I need to solve the mystery of how many more would I need to add on to make a total of 10. This time for our second group, I'm going to use red. So I'm going to just keep filling this 10 frame until all the spaces are filled. And that will show that these two different groups, when added together, would make 10 altogether. I'm done. Now I just need to figure out how many are here and here, and that will represent my second group. So let's count that. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my second group, my second addend, my second partner is 7. So this equation says 10 equals a group of 3 plus a group of 7. And that's exactly what I have shown here. So there you have it. You are now invited to go work on this on your own. If you want to go back and replay the video and get a little more practice, feel free to do that. Have fun building those partners.